Hey, everybody! Today we're going to look at a tongue twister. Tongue twisters can be really great to help you improve your pronunciation. Well, let's get into tongue twister number 1. Let's first read it slowly. Listen and repeat. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. A little faster. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Speed it up. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Can you say it faster? Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Super duper fast. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Sally sells seashells by the seashore.